Firstly, decide which orientation to run your decking. For best aesthetics, run across the main view. The joists will be perpendicular 90 degrees to this. For hard standing such as concrete or slabs, arrange the height-adjustable pedestals at a maximum 400 mm centers in both directions. Lay down joists and roughly level by rotating the pedestals, which can be adjusted from 60 to 140 mm. For soft ground, posts can be sunk and concreted in the ground. Dig 300 mm deep excavations using a fencing spade at 400 mm centers. Ensure square and use a string line to level and concrete in. Top tip: don't forget a weed membrane barrier to be free of long-term maintenance. Double-check levels and fix the joists using angle brackets and self-drilling fixings or bolting like so. Noggins should be added at 1200 mm centers and fixed both sides for extra rigidity. Fix joists around the entire perimeter to finish. For long runs, connect joists using the coupling plates as shown. Once your subframe is complete, double-check levels again and if necessary, readjust pedestal heights before securing to the joists. Pedestals can also be fixed down for extra security, especially in high footfall areas. If you're going for a picture frame border like the pros, extra support will be needed on the outer perimeter to ensure support is continuous all the way around and in any central divides. Measure and miter cut at 45 degree. Top tip: consider an alternating color for the picture frame border for a modern, sleek look. Now time for the hidden stainless steel starter clips. Fix level with the outer perimeter at 400 mm centers with countersunk screws. Firmly push the decking channel into the clips like so. Ensure the miter cut meets neatly and is square. Using the intermediate concealed clips, press firmly into the opposing decking channel and secure to the joist with countersunk screws. Continue full runs and be sure to leave 3 to 5 mm expansion gaps at the end of any length due to expansion and contraction caused by temperature changes, especially with direct sun exposure. Repeat all steps until your top deck is complete in full. Now, if you have a raised deck, it's time to do the sides. Fix uprights to ground level around all sides you wish to cover. Again, using the concealed fixing clips, secure decking boards to the sides. Any corners can be covered using the 45 mm corner L trim fixed with adhesive. For high footfall areas such as steps, use screws and caps to secure. To finish like a pro, consider our composite, aluminum, or glazed balustrades and enjoy your WPC composite decking.